Hey everyone, so Shiba Inu is changing forever in front of our eyes. Be sure to drop a like, we have a lot of news to get into today. I don't know if I'm just late, but I finally saw SHIB listed on Coinbase this morning. If it's not tradable on Coinbase yet, one step forward towards the price. And we can see Shiba Inu having the most growth than all other coins. So be sure to drop a like on this one, and there's a lot of things going on. While this is old news, we have a lot more coming over here hinting that Shiba Inu might explode. And I've been saying, that it might explode for some time, but these are a few indicators from analysts that we have just received. So it's Uniswap V2 and V3 updates, and there's less and less Uniswap supply. And Uniswap for V3 only has 200 trillion. I have never seen it this low before, and people are massively buying everything. So as this goes up in price, there will be sold as Uniswap will sell out. It's down 200 billion from yesterday. So it's getting sold faster and faster every single time. So not only that, I mistook the numbers. It's actually 200 billion from what I'm seeing so far. And a leash is 1,500 left, and there will be some leash on ShibaSwap. If everything else or everyone else runs out, people will flock to ShibaSwap to get it, and that will not only increase the holders, that will also increase the price, which I'm super excited for. Prices of sheepdoggies will go up, and just hold, do not sell now or never. And what we can see here, people are coming to their senses and actually buying the token, actually buying all the coins. We have never seen such a low supply. That's because people are going all in. It's causing a huge market pump right now. Someone even tattooed Shiba Inu on his leg, and that's simply crazy to me. But this tells you how much people trust into this coin. And $1 is actually realistic. I'll be quickly scrolling through this, and I'll be providing you with some facts that 1 cent is realistic here. In the last 24 hours, the price of SHIB jumped $20. A steady daily increase at that rate would see Shiba break $1 in 65 days. I know to some $1 sounds completely impossible. To think that a crypto coin could have a market cap of such magnitude borders on insane. That would be about 400 trillion, right? Unless we see some sort of a burn. According to CNBC, investors have invested more money in the last 5 months than last 12 years combined. Through the success of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge, many others, there's a paradigm shift taking place around the world where more and more people are taking crypto serious. People start seeing their investments, and they're seeing that there's a lot of potential. An investment vehicle would increase their border on insane. So how much money do you think is going to be invested in crypto with this new line of thinking? How many are going to be pulled their money from their savings and investment accounts while earning next to nothing and start investing in crypto, with the possibilities like Shiba's 20% jump today are completely possible? So people would have to invest 400 trillion. All we need is 1 cent or half a penny here. So you've been selling off some of the stuff that doesn't really need or use. And when it makes to $1, I'm set for generations. And I mean, there's a lot of things going on. $1, kind of hard, not gonna lie. But it's looking more and more likely as Bitcoin price nears 36K, as altcoins make 10% gains. Double figure returns not a common for altcoins on Tuesday, while Bitcoin facing major resistance on its way towards 40,000. And when we break that 40,000 barrier, that's when we're going to be seeing Shiba Inu explode, especially with the ShibaSwap update. I think it will seriously impact the long-term future of Shiba Inu right now. As Cointelegraph reported, the weekend was Rags to Riches story for Bitcoin, which bounced at 30,000 to an impressive comeback going to the new week. And I'm saying, yes, market is very volatile right now, but Shiba Inu, even during the dip, has survived. It has strongly survived, unlike any other coin. A lot of crypto coins have died off, and they're not going to be back. Obviously, these coins are gone forever. They're not going to grow anymore. A lot of meme coins, sadly. But for popular crypto ed, there was a little reason to hold a doomsday cycle view on Bitcoin's price action. Current Bitcoin bears are the same who are convinced that Bitcoin would drop below 10K back in September 2020. And we can see for analyst Rect Capital, the potential likewise remains remained for further upside on the back of the most recent weekly close. Great price strength stability at the key weekly support level for Bitcoin. So we can see a lot of analysts here talking about Bitcoin prices, but we're really interested in SHIB. So I want to go to the main points here. Hints of alt season return. And if you remember 2018, a lot of you weren't around there, but in 2018 we saw so many of these altcoins being pumped up, and SHIB now has crazy potential. It has a massive advantage which others do not. Altcoins, meanwhile, were keen to capitalize on Bitcoin's newfound strength, broadly outperforming Bitcoin gains on the day. You know, Shiba Inu being one of the most growing coins in the past days. And even being listed really did boost it up. It being listed on Coinbase, gonna be listed on Robinhood potentially. Ether, the largest altcoin by market capitalization, was up 9% of all time, right, at trading at 2,200. Traders were keenly eyeing the potential for a fresh installment of alt season should Bitcoin add to its losses or make more cautious gains. Looking good so far, and Bitcoin price rising, Bitcoin dominance dropping. Perfect scenario for the moments for alts. This is the big wave of Shiba Inu actually growing. Bitcoin's market cap dominance stood at 46% on Tuesday, slightly down, while the overall crypto market cap was 1.4 trillion. So we can see that the market cap will rise in the future. And this is crazy news for Shiba Inu. And if we want Elon Musk to support us, I know a lot of you don't like Elon Musk. I personally have nothing against him. I support him, you know, for actually starting up. You have to remember, Elon Musk is the one that started the hype of Dogecoin. And that's the major reason why Shiba Inu is where it was. So maybe start saying wear Tesla instead of wear Lambo, and we could have Elon Musk supporting us. He is the main reason why Shiba Inu grew so popular, because he started tweeting about Dogecoin, and basically Shiba Inu was a project to be named as a Dogecoin killer to destroy Dogecoin. He tweeted about buying a Shiba Inu, buying a Shiba pup on his saying that he will buy a Shiba. And what we can see, there's gonna be a lot of things. And I mean, Doge wasn't anywhere 8 years ago, but right now he only actually went up. He actually boosted the coins massively. So if you check, beware, I bought 100 million SHIB and my bank called immediately after. And if you're buying in big amounts, remember your bank is going to be calling you, because they're going to be seeing if there are any bad transactions going on. But here's the proof. Shiba Inu is one of the top growing coins right now. Obviously, these 5 coins that are stronger than SHIB do not have nearly as much market cap as Shiba Inu. These coins are nearly not as popular, and that's why Shiba Inu has so much potential. It's actually almost the most popular coin next to Bitcoin. Okay, it might not be as big as Bitcoin right now, but it's one of the most talked about coins, and that's what we're seeing. Largest growth percentage for the last 7 days out of the top 100 coins, and this is a huge indicator for a catalyst. And everyone is selling their Doge, everyone is getting on SHIB, not financial advice, but we can clearly see a great pattern emerging, and I think this should clearly be a good indicator. Now I'm just going to be quickly going through because I'll be reading this next time, but Crypto.com taps Circle for global dollar deposits, and this again increased the prices. Circle partnership enabled US dollar deposits and receiving USDC for users in more than 30 countries, and we go down here. So this is gonna again increase the prices for Shiba Inu because it's on Crypto.com, and I think this clearly tells you that there's new things inbound and a big catalyst is coming. The question is, are you gonna be there? That's we shall find out. See you until next time. Peace, everyone. Thanks so much for dropping a like.